Have you ever wondered if animals have their own version of reality, their own societies and cultures? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? A world teeming with life, yet so different from ours, a world beyond humans. Our planet is a tapestry of diverse habitats, each one a unique realm with its own set of rules and life forms. In the heart of the densest rainforests, where sunlight barely penetrates the canopy, creatures have evolved to thrive in a world of shadows. Here the chatter of monkeys echoes through the trees while silent predators lurk in the undergrowth. In stark contrast, the open savannas stretch out under the blazing sun, where herds of herbivores roam in search of precious water resources. Survival here is a game of endurance, with the fittest leading the charge. Then there are the icy realms of the Arctic and the Antarctic, where survival means enduring the harshest conditions on Earth. Yet even here life thrives. From the regal polar bears to the resilient penguins, these creatures have adapted to a life of extreme cold. And let's not forget the mysteries of the deep blue sea. The ocean depths are home to some of the most fascinating and strange creatures on Earth. From the bioluminescent squids that light up the abyss to the giant whales that sing haunting melodies, the ocean is a world of its own. Each of these habitats has given rise to unique animal societies, complex interactions and cultures. Animals communicate, form bonds, and even display behavior that we, humans, would classify as emotional. They've developed intricate survival strategies, highlighting the incredible adaptability of life. As we embark on this journey of exploration, we're not just observers. We are storytellers, bringing to light the fascinating tales of animal life. These stories span across continents and oceans, reaching the highest mountain peaks and the most secluded corners of the world. As we delve deeper into this world beyond humans, prepare to be amazed by the wonders of animal life. In the vast wilderness, animals engage in behaviors that are both fascinating and complex. The animal kingdom is a realm of extraordinary feats and strategies for survival, each as unique as the species that carry them out. Take, for instance, the remarkable migratory patterns of birds and butterflies. These creatures possess an innate sense of direction and timing that guides them across vast distances from one end of the globe to the other. Birds, like the Arctic tern, journey thousands of miles from their Arctic breeding grounds to the Antarctic and back, an annual voyage unmatched by any other migratory animal. Butterflies, too, embark on impressive journeys. The monarch butterflies, for example, fly thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico, a journey spanning several generations. Then there are the hunting strategies of predators, which are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Consider the pack hunting strategy of wolves, where each member of the pack has a specific role to play, or the solitary hunting prowess of the tiger, who relies on stealth and strength to bring down prey much larger than itself. These strategies are a testament to the adaptability and intelligence of these creatures, but it's not just about survival. The social structures of primate groups are a reflection of their complex cognitive abilities. Primates, such as chimpanzees and bonobos, exhibit advanced social behaviors, including cooperation, conflict resolution, and even empathy. These behaviors are evidence of their intricate social dynamics and their capacity for emotional intelligence. Each of these behaviors, from the extraordinary to the seemingly mundane, is a product of evolution. They have been honed and perfected over millions of years, shaped by the pressures of survival and the demands of their respective environments. These behaviors are not random, but are the result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuning each species to their environment and lifestyle. Animals possess intelligence and emotions often more complex than we give them credit for. Let's delve into the fascinating world of animal cognition and emotion. Consider the crow, often associated with mystery and intelligence in folklore. In reality, these feathered friends are known for their remarkable problem-solving skills. Crows have been observed using tools, understanding cause and effect, and even recognizing themselves in mirrors. These abilities are typically associated with higher-order thinking, challenging our notion of what it means to be intelligent. Now let's turn our attention towards elephants, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. Renowned for their memory, elephants can recall faces and locations over many years. They remember friends and foes, migratory paths, and even traumatic events. This profound memory forms the basis of their complex social structures and emotional bonds. Underwater, Dolphins display a sense of empathy that rivals our own. They've been documented aiding injured or sick members, guiding them to the surface to breathe. Dolphins also display emotions akin to human joy, expressed through their playful behavior and intricate social interactions. But it's not just about intelligence. Animals also have rich emotional lives. Whales, for instance, show signs of profound grief. They've been seen carrying their deceased young for days, unwilling to let them sink into the ocean depths. This poignant display of mourning challenges our perception of emotional depth in non-human species. And who can forget the joy in dogs? Their wagging tails and excited barks when they see their human friends are clear indicators of their happiness. Dogs' ability to form strong emotional bonds with humans has made them beloved companions across cultures and centuries. In essence, the lines between human and animal intelligence and emotions are not as clear as we once thought. The more we learn about animals, the more we see reflections of our own emotional and intellectual capacities. The emotional and intellectual lives of animals remind us that we are not alone in our capacity to feel and think. Despite their resilience and adaptability, animals face numerous threats in the modern world. In the grand theatre of life, they battle against forces far greater than themselves, forces that are often set in motion by us, the humans. Let's start with habitat loss. As we expand our cities and farms, we're encroaching on lands that animals have called home for countless generations. Forests are cut down, oceans are polluted, and grasslands are turned into concrete jungles. This not only robs animals of their homes, but also the resources they need to survive: food, water, and shelter. Then there's climate change, a specter that looms over all life on Earth. Changes in temperature and weather patterns can disrupt animal migrations, breeding seasons, and food supplies. For species that can't adapt fast enough, the consequences can be dire. Think of the polar bear struggling to find solid ice in a rapidly warming Arctic, or the coral reefs bleaching and dying as the oceans heat up. Poaching, too, is a grim reality for many species. Despite laws and regulations, illegal hunting and trade continue to drive species like elephants, rhinos, and tigers towards the brink of extinction. Their body parts are sold for their supposed medicinal properties or as status symbols, a cruel testament to human greed and indifference. The impact of these threats is devastating. According to the World Wildlife Fund, we've lost nearly 60% of wildlife population since the 1970s. That's almost 2/3 of our planet's animal life, gone in the blink of an evolutionary eye. And the rate of loss is accelerating, with species disappearing 1,000 times faster than the natural rate of extinction. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to change the course of this narrative. By protecting habitats, fighting climate change, and stopping poaching, we can give these animals a fighting chance. After all, their survival is not just about them, it's about us too. We are part of this intricate web of life, and what affects one thread affects the whole. The survival of these remarkable creatures is in our hands. We, as humans, have the power and responsibility to protect and conserve animal life. In the grand tapestry of life, every creature, big or small, plays a vital role, contributing to the balance and harmony of our world. Our actions, as individuals and as a collective, can have a profound effect on the survival and well-being of these animals. One of the most direct ways we can contribute to animal conservation is by supporting wildlife charities. These organizations are at the forefront of the fight to protect animals, working tirelessly to preserve habitats, rescue and rehabilitate injured animals, and combat illegal wildlife trafficking. Donating money, volunteering time, or even spreading awareness about their efforts can make a significant difference. Yet, the path to conservation extends beyond direct action. It's also about making sustainable lifestyle choices, opting for products that are cruelty-free and eco-friendly. Reducing our carbon footprint and adopting a more plant-based diet can all help to reduce the strain on animal populations and their habitats. But why is it so important that we protect animals? Well, apart from the inherent value of each animal life, biodiversity is crucial for the health of our planet. Each species, no matter how insignificant it may seem, serves a unique purpose in the ecosystem. The disappearance of even a single species can send ripples through the food chain, disrupting the balance and leading to unforeseen consequences. Moreover, many animals play key roles in processes such as pollination, seed dispersal, and nutrient cycling, which are vital to human survival. By protecting animals, we are in fact protecting ourselves. This is our shared planet, our shared responsibility. We have the power to make a difference, to change the narrative, to ensure that the rich tapestry of life continues to flourish for generations to come. By protecting animals, we are not only preserving the beauty and diversity of our world, but also safeguarding our own future.